When a vehicle won't start, the issue can be that the engine won't crank at all, or it may crank but not start. Today, we'll talk about the most common reasons that the engine won't crank over at all. Hi, I'm Connor from Delphi, and today we're discussing some of the most common things to look at when an engine won't turn over. There aren't many sounds that are worse than an engine clicking and refusing to turn over. The two most obvious issues are a dead battery or a starter. These are incredibly common and are the first things mechanics look for. Let's assume you've already checked the battery. What's the next step? The next place to look is the starter motor. If your battery is fine, but you hear a single click and nothing else, your starter might have reached the end of its service life. Another issue could be a bad ignition switch. The battery and starter may be working fine, but the key or push button might not be sending the signal to start. In this case, the vehicle lights might work, but the engine won't crank. If you're able to jumpstart the car, but it dies again soon after, that can be an indication of a bad or faulty alternator that is failing to charge the battery while the vehicle is running. Another issue could be a glitch with the vehicle's security system. A faulty key fob or immobilizer system might be blocking the engine from starting. This is especially common with newer cars. In some models, a dead battery in the fob can cause a no-start issue. One final issue you can check for is a faulty relay or blown fuse. Replacing the fuse or relay may solve the issue, but you should try to determine what caused the failure so it doesn't happen a second time. To recap, after you rule out the obvious, a dead battery issue or starter, check out some of the common causes that we've gone over today to help figure out why that engine just refuses to crank. Subscribe to our channel below so you can refer to this video in the future and have access to other service videos from Delphi. And check out DelphiAutoparts.com for other great resources. I'm Connor with Delphi. Thanks for watching.